Oh, well, hey guys. So since Jeremy found this amazing recipe, well, we hope it's amazing. It is beef stroganoff, but we're using deer meat and we're using morel mushrooms. Now, because we've already dehydrated all of our morels, we have to rehydrate them. And someone forgot water, so we melted some ice. And it's the middle of the day, so I'm hoping that these guys will be ready to use for dinner tonight. So I figured, what'd you say, like 30 halves roughly? So let's count them out. We'll check back on these guys in a little bit, I suppose. And then cook our yummy beef stroganoff. Yay! Yum. Oh, I wish you guys could smell them though. You can smell them instantly.
Deer stroganoff with morels.
With our morel mushrooms that we have poofed out because we dehydrated them. So, all right, we're gonna do this together and see how it turns out. Hopefully, it sounds really good if we can get it to turn out. Hopefully. But we are starting with 2 tablespoons of butter. Alrighty, here we go. Whoa. Cook until brown. That's gonna be like 1 second on this thing. Haha. It's a whole one. That's okay. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Jeremy's favorite Midwest country blend, Midwest flavors, which he actually is having me use this instead of the salt and pepper to season it because it's so good. Here goes the deer. I love cooking with deer because it's so lean. I'm about to set my recipe on fire, but I love cooking with deer because it's so lean. Ugh, love it. Deer cooks pretty quick too. Two tablespoons of minced garlic. We love garlic. We love garlic. Good thing you're not a vampire. A ½ teaspoon of dried thyme. I like thyme too. 3 tablespoons of flour. So, and then I better be prepared. Wine after that, which I just got dry cooking wine, but if you have wine, Chardonnay, any dry white wine at home, use that. We're gonna use 1/4 cup, I believe. Like it smells so good. So roughly 1/4 cup. I didn't bring a measuring cup, I only brought tablespoons. Oh, that's like looking so good. So this is the 32 ounces of beef stock. Two tablespoons of our Worcestershire, however you say it. One tablespoon of Dijon mustard. I'm convinced you could use regular mustard, but it said Dijon, so that's what we did. We are going to stir that up. Man, that smells good. All right. And then we have 8 ounces. I got extra wide egg noodles. We're gonna stir those in there. Whoops. And then bring our stroganoff to a boil, cover it, and simmer it for about 10 minutes. And then we'll add our sour cream and parsley. And hopefully enjoy a one-pot deer mushroom, morel mushroom stroganoff. So, deer morel mushroom stroganoff. Okay. I'm excited for this.
It smells really good.
It smells really good. It's on fire. Ooh, okay, so we're gonna turn that down and cover it for roughly 10 minutes. Kerplunk. Like roughly a ½ cup sour cream. Mix it in there. I might add a little bit more. Alright, I'm gonna let that thicken a minute. Smells good. That smells good. Got Nessie ready. Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. I'm gonna plate these up.
Here we go.
Bon appetit!
So good.
Yes. A little bit of pepper, but that's so good.
It is good.
Let me get a bigger morel.
Two of these things are from the wild.
It's so hot. It is! We have our wild deer, our wild game. We have our morel mushrooms. We had such a good season. Well, how fun was that?